Alright guys, haven't made a video in a little while on this. I did take it out for a ride, and I was using the GoPro, and it wasn't very well. It was okay. I mean, the footage was good. The audio, I was using a different mic for it, and I turned off the noise cancellation, which of course this bike is very loud. So yeah, the audio came out distorted as all hell. So, and I took off the fork extensions. With this bike, running it normal, just stock or just a little bit above stock, the forks, are okay. They're not great. They're just okay. But when you run it the way I am, yeah, these forks just can't handle it. It compresses about halfway. So, I'm working on putting together a whole nother setup. So today I got these lock collars in, and I have another set coming in for the top. And then over here, what I plan to do is cut this right across here. And same thing with the bottom to match the collars. And then, of course, I'm not going to do it while it's on here, but I'll take everything off of it, take off the upper and lower crown, and do this. But I'll weld half of the collar on here, and it's pretty decent thick metal too. It's not crappy metal, but I do have some metal here that I can use to reinforce if I need to, and I just might do that. Even if I don't need to, I might do it anyhow. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. But yeah, I'll weld those on top and bottom, and I've done it before. This ain't my first rodeo doing that. So I'll put that on there. I might have to move the lights a little bit in, to make room for the fork, but that shouldn't be our problem at all. And after that, I already measured for the disc brake, and that one will definitely fit on here, so that's not a problem either. For as far as the little mini bike, this is what I'm doing. All right, so I took off the pull start cover. It's right here. I painted it, looking really good. As you can see, the color shift. You see that? Very nice, very nice. You see how it shifts colors. So anyhow, that paint job does the exact same thing. I took off that part of the frame. I'm redesigning that now. I just ordered some about $200 in parts. Well, over $200 in parts. Not much over, but over. Ordered a rim, the rim hub or wheel hub. Let's see, an axle as well. Basically, I got these parts here. I'm saving these, because they're already done, and the tubing that I'm going to use will slide right over it, so that's not a problem. So I'm going to redesign it, and I'm going to use this this here tire instead of that little one. Now, I did order another tire for the rim that was on here, but it's real small. And when I was changing it, the rim started to bend. I bent some of it back. You can still see where there's a little bit of bend in it. And it was a lot worse. It was a lot worse. But I was like, you know what? Nah, I better not. So I drug out one of my other tires. I was like, oh yeah. That is going to look so much better. I mean, look at this. Now just imagine it with the frame all done up, that big old back tire all inflated. That'll do. That'll do. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll show you the pictures, right up, let's say up here somewhere, so you can see the pictures of the stuff that I ordered for it. So getting this here done up, that's a plus. I was going to use my real nice clutch, but running a back tire like this, I figured it's probably not a good idea. Probably burn out the clutch or something, I don't know, but I'm not going to take a chance at. Besides, I cleaned up the torque converter for it, and I figured, you know what, I'll just go ahead and use that. So come back over here. I'll be getting this here done hopefully in the next couple days. And I'll take it out for another ride, see how it does. So, with that being said, thanks guys for watching. I know this is a short video compared to what you're normally used to seeing me do. But, nonetheless, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be talking to you guys really soon.